Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you have not verified your Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing an issue that whenever you try to install any app from your app store or whenever you want to use your Apple ID, you see an error that your Apple ID is not verified. You have not verified your Apple ID. So let's see how can you fix this issue. You just have to simply open your settings app here and you'll see an option of verify your email address, or you just have to tap on your Apple ID here and you can see that there's no any option is available. I can't select any option, so there's the option of verify email address. So you just have to tap on this option here, verify email address, and just tap on this send code option. So you have to also recognize your email address here and tap on send code, and Apple ID will send you a code on your Apple ID or your email address. So you just have to simply go ahead to your email app and just read the code here. As you can see, there's a code. So you just have to write the code here. And once I've entered the code, your email address will be verified. So here you can see that my Apple ID is now verified. Now you can easily select any option from here. So now after doing that, you'll not get any error of verifying your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily verify your Apple ID in your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.